Princess House offers amazing rewards in Period 1. Contact your organizer via video chat to unpack the products in your starter kit and start creating a plan so you can earn the following rewards. New consultants that join Princess House in Period 1 with personal sales totaling $750 as their first active period receive a Viva Sana mandolin slicer valued at $139.95. And new consultants that join Princess House in Period 1 with personal sales totaling $1,500 as their first active period receive this two-piece pH Quick Solutions stackable set valued at $289.90. Additionally, new consultants that sign up a friend in their first 2 periods to join Princess House and their friend generates $750 in their first active period will receive a Culinario Series 7.5 quart straining casserole valued at $199.95. So contact the person who sent you this video and start earning now.